Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we won't be talking about mining. It's about cars and BMW F10 specifically. I have a front bumper lip in the back seat. Also ordered a full M kit for the exterior for this car, and it's already in here where I'm currently at my friend's. He will do the paint job for me, so I'll make a nice montage of that, of how all the parts get painted, how they get prepared for painting, and how we put them on the car. So enjoy the montage.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean